how to loop video in CapCut. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can loop videos in CapCut. Let's get started. Open up the CapCut app, then head over to Edit in the bottom left and then tap on New Video. Now choose the video that you want to loop and then hit Add. Now, once it added, what you need to do is you need to go to overlay, tap on it, tap on add overlay, and click the same video again, hit add. Now, same two videos will be added. You'll need to wait for a while. And after that, what you need to do is you will need to decrease the opacity of the video that you added first, and then automatically it will look like the video is looped. So it's really simple process. While it's loading, don't forget to hit the subscribe to our channel. So now you need to go to the previous video and then swipe to the left until you find the opacity option. Tap on it and then decrease the opacity to 0. Now the video will appear looped. So that is how it works. After you're done, you just need to hit export in the top right. So that's it. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.